In this quick review, I'll be checking out the Minisopuru 4-in-1 USB-C hub for PC, Mac, and even iPad. But first, let's see what comes in the box. We have the hub over here, well protected in its box with its sleeve. And we also get the 24 watts power adapter. And we get the usual user manual, but it's so easy to use that I don't even think you'll need it. Once you're ready to use it, you need to connect the USB cable into the port of your computer. Then take the power adapter and you'll have to connect this side into the USB hub and connect the other side into the wall power outlet. The first 3 USB-C ports of this hub are for data only. They're up to 10 gigabytes per second. And the lower one is for charging devices. And again, it can charge them quite quickly since it comes with that really powerful power adapter. Here I will connect my iPhone into the last port because I want to charge it. Very easy with the original cable here. Like this. And automatically it starts charging. What's very cool is that it has a small display on the side telling you at what rate it charges, and that number will fluctuate depending on many things, also on the device that you connect. I will also connect this SD card with the SD card reader into the first port over there. And what's also nice is that on the right side you'll have a small dot just making a confirmation that everything is connected and working. One thing I also like about this dock is that if you have a Mac that is in the midnight color, well, it will match it very well, as you can see here. The whole unit is made out of aluminum on the sides and is looking to be very durable, including this cable. That looks very well protected and I won't be afraid to bend it many times. Overall, I think it's a very good USB Type-C hub if you're looking for something that is compatible with many types of devices and it's also compact and easy to travel with.